Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Are you a real estate investor looking to maximize your profits and minimize your tax burden? You're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the top tax benefits that make real estate one of the most attractive investments. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tax advantages to leverage to keep more of your hard-earned money. If you're interested in more tax strategies to help your real estate investments thrive, make sure you subscribe for future content. And feel free to leave any questions in the comments. I love hearing from you, and your questions guide my next topics. So first off, I want to talk about one of the biggest perks of investing in real estate and its significant tax benefits that it offers. Real estate isn't just about the potential for property appreciation. It's about finding ways to reduce your tax legally. These benefits can help you offset income, shelter your gains, and ultimately increase profitability. And trust me, I know how important it is to keep your hard-earned money as much as possible. I work with so many in the real estate world, and these benefits really do make a difference. So I want to first talk about depreciation. This is a powerful tool for real estate investors because it offers you the ability to reduce your taxable income each year. Even if your property is gaining in market value, you're able to deduct a portion of its value every year. So here's an example. Let's say that you bought a rental property for $300,000. You could potentially deduct about $10,900 each year through depreciation based on the useful life of the property that you purchased. This deduction alone can have a significant tax difference come the tax season. Up next, I want to talk about a 1031 exchange. It's commonly known as like-kind exchange. What it means is changing one property for another during a sale, following a certain set of steps. This is a tax provision that allows you to defer paying taxes for capital gains when you reinvest the proceeds into another similar property. So for example, suppose you sell a property at a gain of $50,000. Instead of paying a capital gains of $50,000, you can roll these into a new investment property and deferring the tax until you ultimately sell the property. So say you buy a property off the expressway and you make a huge gain on it, and then you find an intermediary and do a like-kind exchange. You would defer the tax by buying another property and following all the steps, and pay tax when you ultimately sell property. So this is a way to grow in wealth without having to pay that tax. I also want to talk about the mortgage interest deduction. This is another significant benefit because if you have a loan for a property in which you're renting, it allows you to deduct the interest paid on that loan. So for example, if you paid $5,000 in interest over the year, you can deduct that amount, reducing your taxable income by the $5,000. So I want you to remember something. Tax planning is key. Keeping accurate records of your expenses, your income, and the properties you own are essential to take advantage of these benefits fully. I can't stress enough how important it is to keep detailed record. It's something I've seen make a huge impact for so many out there. And of course, working with a tax professional who understands real estate can be invaluable. It can optimize your deductions. So do you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these benefits? Drop them in the comment section of the video. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd be happy to cover these in future videos. So I want to thank you again for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button in the bottom so don't miss out. That way you don't miss out on future content and strategies. And remember, your questions and feedback help shape my upcoming content. So let me know what you're curious about in the comment section,